Okay, this is our video of the model we made of the solar system using some of our PE balls. This large ball right here is the largest ball we have. It's about 6.5 feet in diameter. It's serving as our sun, of course, and everything we did was scaled from there. So, sun, center of our universe, big ball of fire, okay, nuclear reaction, explosions going on constantly, okay. And if we know our mnemonic sentence, my very educated mother just served us 9 pizzas, we can remember our order of planets from the sun. So that first M is for Mercury, closest planet to the sun. And in reference to our scale here, Mercury, you can see there, is the size of an eraser compared to our 6.5 foot sun. And of course, with Mercury being so close to the sun, it's going to be a very hot planet. Then we come to our next planet. The V is for Venus. Venus is a little bit bigger. You see our marble there. Venus is about the size of a marble. Interesting fact on Venus is that it has no moons. Nothing rotating around it. And then we come to our all-important planet Earth that we live on. And for our model, we're the size of a gumball. Okay, so of the 3 so far, we're the largest. And really amazing when you think about Earth's location in the solar system. Any closer to the sun would be too hot to live here. Any further away would be too cold. But just really fortunate that we've got that set up where we are in that location in the solar system. When we go to Mars, Mars is the size of a Skittle, so you can see it's smaller than us Earth, the gumball. Okay, so if we look back from Mars to the sun, now the way I understand it is, Mars is the planet we've talked about traveling to. It takes between 7 and 8 months to get from Earth to Mars. That'd be something traveling non-stop. And so even though we're seeing a small distance here, okay, a long time of travel. Okay, as we go from Mars, my very educated mother just, so that's gonna bring us to our next planet. We've got a good walk to go here along our path to get to Jupiter. Of course, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. And it's represented on our scale here by a basketball. Okay, so much larger than our gumball sized Earth, but still also much smaller than our 6.5 foot diameter sun. We travel on our path again, and we're going a long distance again. Big distance as we go from Jupiter to our next planet, Saturn. Of course, Saturn famous for its rings, okay? And this right here is represented by a kickball. Smaller than Jupiter, okay, of course, but you can see also still very large. I think it compared to our gumball-sized Earth, we're still talking about a really large planet. And then we continue further on our trek.
We've got a long ways to go to our next planet. My very educated mother just served us. The U and us is for Uranus. Long trek here in the solar system to get there. Amazes me that we've got the technology to learn about things this far away from us.
But here we come to Uranus. Uranus is the size of a wiffle ball or pickleball. Okay, so a good bit smaller than Saturn or Jupiter, but still when you think of that gumball size of the Earth, it's a good bit larger than our planet. And then we're going to move on.
Still another good little trek here. We're traveling from Uranus to Neptune. Uranus and Neptune, we've sent Voyagers out. They've traveled for years, gone past those, and we find out those are kind of windy planets, storms on the planets, volatile. It seems amazing to me that we were able to know anything at all about things this far away. we're coming up on Neptune.
Neptune size, this rubber ball right here. And what you should notice about it is that ball is about the same size of the wiffle ball that we had back there at Uranus. So Neptune and Uranus, relatively the same size. And we're going to keep on traveling. I'm going to
You know where Pluto's at? Pluto's controversial. You know, you talk to him, I haven't considered the planet anymore. You understand why when I get there. So I got to continue good. Good there on our track here. On our Marshall Elementary School playground, we're actually going to cross the road toward MES in order to find Pluto. And Pluto is really tiny. Of course, it's the smallest planet. And when we look at ratios here, remember Earth, size of a gumball, big ball we have for the sun, 6.5 feet diameter. We're almost to the middle.
school gym and we find Pluto, and Pluto is the size, that is a seed from a bell pepper, 3 millimeters big. Okay, so there's Pluto. So now let's look back, a little hill here, so I can't even see where we started at from here.
From here, walk back to the top of the hill. And then we can look back at our planet to see how far away the sun is. Try to get you to a spot. See the sun. Okay.
Okay, way back down there at the fence. If you look hard, you might be able to see off in the distance there is a big 6.5 foot diameter sun, and you can see how far we've traveled in it. So hopefully this gives us a good idea, walking this model, of a perspective on the size of the planets in relation to each other and then their distances apart.